So here's my case for sleep, and I didn't always think this way. I used to think I was just fine sleeping on 5 hours a night, but that's until I had kids. Every night that you sleep, your body should be going through about 5 different sleep cycles, one every 90 minutes or so. And at the beginning of those sleep cycles, your brain should be releasing a good amount of human growth hormone, and that's released from the pituitary gland of your brain. Your first sleep cycle should have the most human growth hormone release. So it starts with a lot of human growth hormone and then it slowly diminishes throughout the night as you sleep. So you could, in theory, say that that first 90-minute sleep cycle is the most critical and the most important. Human growth hormone isn't just responsible for resting and digesting and developing muscle, but it's also responsible for fat metabolism too. So if you're someone who's struggling with belly fat or fat storage in general, especially as you get older, stop worrying about counting calories and dieting and really start focusing on sleep because it will do your body good.